trash. What do you want the DJs I know? Njaga. I'm on social media talk. Like I see your videos over the DJ or I wanna keep up the DJ. Hey, one about Lalisa Sewono. Trash. You understand? But there was a video of you that you said something with hot money and think it kalela pikwali.
Which is number 4, my evilish. You hot man like a KO. Fucking trash. Rapa masepa njaka. La ka chaiva go di saloon ba o sha khatinyane ya khatenta e tlhapetswe mdala. You fucking tired of this shit. Apere ka go trompisi. Se pantsola, hip hop pantsola. What the fuck nigga? O rapa le sepa, you fell off. Like ayi ntho e etsang in this industry. O thusitse wa vibe. You had to go. Now online.
Maybe let me hear your side. It comes from which point of view?
Now my point of view,
yeah.
If with maybe like hot managera rap.
Yes.
If you don't adapt, you die.
Okay.
Until a video about bomb rapper no, right now they fell off.
Okay.
Now they get a hot man, he fell off. That's what I was saying.
So when how the naki trash, what do you mean? Kupa we should know. How the naki trash?
Trash go opinion
you said I am trash and I'm a bitch ass. Kupa we should know. Pilabatu.
Kiringi.
How the naki trash?
O trash ga di raps tsa di work. No tlamile ke bue maga.
Naki bitch ass ke trash.
Oh.
Are you sure?
Tlamile ke bue maga.
Oh, you sure can't you? Nizuyila ngithi. Mina ngitrash mina ngibhitshela
no emaphilo
uyangithuka bane
wena
ngiyakuthina ngiyakukhuza
yazenza
ngidala kabi mina mfana and angikukhombi mina mfana bheka ngikhuluma nawe bheka wena sani mamela noma ngiringa ngawo angumkhombi umuntu wena uyangikhomba and awazi ukuthi ukhombani uzolimala mina ngiyaba respect abantu kakhulu that's why ngila ngikhona today angikaze mina ngikhuphuka ngomuntu emhlabeni ngizenzele ukuthi
no nake khuphuka ka wena
yes ukhuphuka ngabanye abantu not mina kuphela nalabo okhulume ngabo lapho ukhuluma nomuntu one family oshadile umtshela ukuthi ayeke ifamily yakhe do you know what ukuba ne family ukuthi ubuka manje ngakhulishana wena sana ngikhuluma ngobani uthi ngikhuluma ngokhulishana uthi wena fuza
olwanela khulishana
ngikhulwanela everyone olembo kini artist phela
olwanela everyone
yes
oh ke bu focus go di rap sing o tlogele everyone
are you sure can't you bua
Kente akere ko opinion ya emapele ke sa bua
ungangikhombi
ke sa
khuluma ungangikhombi khomba phansi ungakhombi kimi
okay ke sa bua
uzongidima ungangikhombi
ke sa bua
ngithi mina ungangikhombi ngokuthi you are nothing but a shit hole to me you are nothing look at you you are nothing my brother and bheka ke
aphila mpijama esana aphile Grootmaneni because manje abanye abantu abathatha izinto ngokufana njalo
sure angisukeli umuntu mina angisukeli umuntu emhlabeni and umuntu ongisukelayo ababhaya bangisukele abasitrephile batrepha umhlaba ngesifuba ntwana and I'm not gonna lie to you bahamba ba rapper manje batrepha umhlaba ngesifuba and emhlabeni there's consequences and mina that's why ngifuna ukuthi uyisho phambi kwami and uyishilo yabo angithi soyishilo and it's all good
aphila ntwana
aphile jwa
okay angachubeka njalo
comedy or it's just saying
obvious ke comedy e mixitse le horeng obvious ke ipuela nnete anthola
wena wenzani ngempilo yakho njengoba uthi thina si trash njengoba sizirephela sizamele empilweni ubona ukuthi kule economy esinayo njengoba ngikutshelile nge27 sibeka infrastructure 2 million there will be whoa ngizokutshela there will be over 10 million economy erana eSoweto that day wena yini into yenza ngithi ngitshela angithi ngitshela into engenza ngitshela wena ukuthi wenza
ma sabua
ngithi khuluma ukuthi wenzani ngempilo yakho
watlamile ke bue ntwe batlang kwena
king no angithi wena ula angithi wena ubiza abantu ngetrash sifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena uyini because if you mean I'm trash you are a shit hole wena
exactly wabona if wena onthoga ndene botlogere
ukude kabi
go opinion yakho
ukude kabi
go opinion yakho le nna ke na le aka di rapse tsa go di work No tlamile ke reng ke bue maka.
ngifuna kanjani yabo and the opinion yakho mawuthi
Eh lo wena ko opinion yakho ke shit hole.
yes
Exactly.
angithi wena uthi mina ngitrash manje nje ushilo ukuthi mina ngitrash wena angithi ushilo ukuthi mina ngitrash ngikusukelanga hamba wa social angisukelanga mina angisangenza next kuwe ngimdala kabi kuwe mfana wami ukuthi ungasho lento le and egaming ngiphushe kakhulu ukuthi mina ngabizwa ngetrash
Nakho le ke re trash ne ke sa re wena le ke bua ka di raps.
yena uthanga raps uthe wena
Hey,
trash
bathong,
uthe bitch
rappers
ass
who fell off irela hore-
ngibekile uthe bitch ass kimi wena
Rappers who fell off irela hore.
uthe trash
Akere rappers who fell off.
yena uthenga mina ngitrash mina ngidustbin mina fuze ngilahla mina
Ay maybe ke de wena o itsereng ka teng.
uyangikhomba futhi ubonile ukuthi ngikhombile futhi mangikhuluma noma ngikhomba
Ya dali ya go khomba.
angikhombi baba yebo la masungikhomba phela sokuthi akuliyo yiwo
Mayazi yenza
yiwo
kanjani
leyo
Jama?
mfana wami
Ezinye izinto mawuziringa abanye
and
abantu
there's consequences
Kayithola daddy.
And manje
Manje
yazi-
khot malange ba san text go TikTok and threaten. Ne ke tla apologize grant. No one threaten unchayela kazinja
bengakuthini bengokukhuza bengitshela ukuthi intwana esharp uzobuya uthi khotmani
awungikhuza utlamela ubuye la sento kone mfethu ngide ngake ra.
usukele mina futhi ngizwe ngithi hayi good mina uyanya wena sana
Sangatheka
wena
TikTok.
uyasuza wena yazi umsuzo
Hey,
wami
batho.
lentwana le yakaka kanti
Khotmani ke bua le wena.
kanti yasheka lentwana yazi that's why sithi ngikukulethela ngifuna izinja zami zibone ukuthi uyintwana enjani and abantu abane attitude yakho efana neyakho mfana wami ngeke baye
yazi isikhathi masihamba ne and u-entertainment kuboma TikTok wenzani wenzani uswazi uhlangana nomuntu aba-affiliated noma udinge bona
Sure.
avela athi hayi ingayenzeki lento ingayenzeki
Wethi perception
mamele,
yakho akayo-
angaqedi
Okay, sure.
i-chance yakho le ukuthi u-aphile ku-Grootman ni-ring egrand
Sure.
na besides nje i-entertainment uGroot kunakuwo
Sure.
uyangithola ungabi stubborn ka-riding aphila ku-Grootman
Mara re go go arabe ka lighting ya perception ak the way ke bona ka teng dale ya go tlhoka motho because o affiliated le Hotman nan na perception ya ka yone go goreng it's either o tlong ratela nnete ke buang o o tlong ratela maka ke nne fake mo sefatlhogong sa go na ke nana kwa go tlo nna fake ke re hey I like this I like that because wena wa e rata
Yeah.
if o tlo go konna a ke ba tlo phela le gore nna o ba tlo phela le nna because ke buile nnete it's fine konna I don't care
mara you deserve
It don't
ukuthi
matter
umuntu
kona.
omdala umthuke umuntu omdala kuwe
What?
umfake kule language yakho
yakho
yama-trash.
musicing
Why-
o etsa
why-
music Hotman
umpitsela ka
music
umpitsela ka uncle what does that mean to you if you say I'm an uncle angikho mdala
wayitsa senze kanjani jam
Hey, lo muntu
angeke uri ke sponsor
Wena
house
life awuyazi,
that's your
ijamba
craft
kanjani.
right can you explain
Awuyazi
to
level
us
craft,
ngicela
mfana
explain to us ukuthi le craft yakho kahle kahle yini and make us understand ukuthi kahle kahle what is it about
it's about gore ke ipuele dilo tse nne ke di feelang di
Yeah.
interest tsaka
Yeah.
what I think
Mm.
ke express di thoughts tsaka the way ke di feelang ka teng the way di leng ka teng ke sa di filter because of ma ito zokala re hey ngumuntu omdala because untshitse pina re sa bua ka yona a ke go kwala di raps tse di work ke sa bua ke reng a kwala grand because ke muntu omdala a ile muntu
So why
omdala
target
tse di
mina?
pina tse wa di kenye
Kubo
ko
bonke labantu
laptop
abakhona kubo bonke labantu abakhona why target mina
aswena fela ibile aswela amagcina
ngithi why target mina in everything that I did in this industry
ngovinyele
why
kwena oliwane because
that's why
top
ngithi
5
that's why ngithi
Ngile top
bonke labantu
five.
abadili ngithi bonke labantu abadelelile la
Eh.
kubo bonke labantu abadelelile anything can happen and ungasisoli
so what
okay
If
sharp
anything
so what
can happen, so what?
ushuyilo wena nayezwa ngithi so what
Eh.
ngithi sharp
anything can happen anytime
caliber
Ke kopa o botsa ne hore
ayebo
since le di opinion ne
Sure.
a kere ke di opinion straight o kile wa praise motho na contenting ya hao na or ke di
trash
opinion
trash
tsa trash fela o maybe
maybe tsa ke bo
ke tse positive le tse negative or ke negative fela
most of the time ke di now it's getting if maybe like with something right now like it to shebella and then ka tswara and then like maybe nna ke liwane ke tlo re this thing is nice ke tlo shebella ke na ilo tse ke itse go le nna this thing is nice ka ya premium mara if le something e le gore ke feel ka re this thing maybe interest yakhe,
So
and
wena
then someone else wetsa
wena ufila ukuthi
and
unayo
then
leyo
khona
power.
ke buang ka yone.
So ufila ukuthi wena unepower nje ukuthi udisa
Azange
abantu
re
the
ke
way
na le
bafuna.
power,
Hayi
azange
ngiyafika.
asuma le power.
Ah no,
Wena
angithi
wasuma
ngiyabona
dilo tse.
ungangikhombi.
Ke go khomba go etsa
Ye
so.
wena ungangikhombi wena sana.
Yo, aye,
Ungikhombi wena.
Don.
Ye
A ke re
bafethu.
ko wena.
Ngikhuza kangaka ukuthi ungangikhombi wena sana mina ngikhonjwa wena sana.
Something is
Ye
wrong.
madoda.
Ke bua ka yone
Ye banna.
go TikTok, social media,
Bafethu.
wherever.
Yeah.
Because ke feel ka re this thing.
Nang umuntu angisukela
for nna,
bafethu.
a ke dumellane le yone.
Okay, utsho
Go tswa ko wena go e bona as a negative perspective.
okay,
or
utsho go
whatever.
operator sona.
Ah sharp.
Grand ka bona.
Wa nthola gore ko keng smoke the room o keng.
All the smoke.
Ya ke reng o grand ne ke feel ka go grand.
Mfana.
So what you saying now or direct what you nang ke comedy or
Some of it ke comedy, some of it ke dilo tse lo ka di bona, and then ke feel all it close to my
So
heart.
when
Then
as you
bua
feel
ka tsona.
when I talk about
No
feel
tlamehile
ubona
ke
hore you
express
have to
it
put your
because-
people down on your socials
Ke
so that
put a man down.
no o tlo bua ka music wa go ram trash is not putting my whole work down.
Wena kwalang dilo tse di tswileng mo tseleng o iphuta down. Nna ke
Okay.
bua ka ntho e
Are
etsa.
you sure? Go honke labantu laba bamamela music wami usho uthi trash bana baba trash bamamela
Tlamehile re
music.
dumellane ka ntho e one go rotle.
Ha phela wena phela umsuzo phela noma ungathi into trash wena umsuzo nawo.
Aba ko opinion ya go bila ke feeling.
Ungangikhombi.
Wena o feel like.
Nje ungangikhombi. Ungangikhombi.
I'm playing next. Ke the way o feelang ka teng.
what's about njaka ne? Ntho ke nako ngwe cover njaka. Fraser explain what your craft is like. You know, is it comedy? Is it about criticism? Cause bona njaka bona nna ke na le content that is almost similar to yours, but nayaka, you know, when something is trending. Like I'll make an example. If my ear trend about certain thing, I'll
Sure.
do a voice note. Hey, bayalwa, in.
Yeah, I know.
And my ear wouldn't come to me and say, when I said, no, mama simbangam, because the way I've structured it, okay, if my ear to trend and go to share cherry, I'll make a voice note. You know, saying, hey, mapoisa, nangu ma ila batuyalwa in all that.
Sure.
It's something that I'm not Axi filing you'll keep eye. Axi pogo and you'll keep eye. It's already it's what's there on the street. You
Sure.
understand? And I turn it into something that is fine. With Naxasa Mangboard. So I want to understand from yours. You understand? Ukuthi singabing at manje sikufake khoneni.
Sure.
Siyaqindezela. Uyathola? Yes, ngiyunderstand ikhot man alithandi that ngochunayo. Umnyatheli cons. You understand? But can you please make us understand? Ukuthi okay mina shaba mfana na indaba engime ngayo. And mina this is what I do. Singabi mude mfana.
Sure. Now what I do go gore ke comedy mixed with criticism. One thought. And just like your content, everything I buang ka yone, it's already in the public. I can say file ya o. I can bue anything elore maybe beyond what you do. If you get maybe you're a rapper that fell off, it's something elore everyone wa e bona. Go tswa ka wena o e tsayang or maybe ore this guy.
Ibona uwe opinion yakho. Mina I'm getting booked every week more than even
Okay,
ama-rapper
o ka nnetse wa
wamanje.
booka every week, mara ke public.
ngiyasho njalo ngithi opinion yakho ungathi wonke umuntu uyayibona because now ngithanda music wami ukhara sethanda music wami ulade ngithanda music wami opinion yakho u1 and buka labantu bathi bathanda music wakho bese usibheka wena ukuthi unjani. Two different things but far away now. So mina ngivele futhi ngivele yipi opinion yami yomuntu oso ongombona ukuthi akagezanga maybe ugeze nje because uza namhlanje or iopinion yabantu engibabona ukuthi ba clean bagqoka ama Jordan ba yabo ubani yipi efuze ngivele yaka aka or yakho
Ofedit. Amapila a bua
So
so
out
o
there-
batla ke mo reply na
Yeah.
a ba re ka mo disrespect.
No, say it, bro.
Wa bo.
Remember ke craft ya hao ya.
ngangikho
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ujama ukhuluma
mangikhuluma nawe so angikukhombi
Comedy.
Sheba a bua so.
ngangikho
Umuntu angagezanga.
Wenza comedy ngithi.
Wathola umuntu angagezanga. Ake mo chayela go kwala masepa ba re uyangidelela.
uthe wena mina nginandaba
Eh, ke rile trash.
uthe I'm trash
Yes.
Ka ibua
Mina-
Comedy le
oh
uyini.
uthe mina I'm trash uthe mina I'm a bitch ass
Obvious.
ileyo
Intent
le ngime
is to
khona mina
make
anginandaba
people laugh,
ne-content
mara
yakho ntwana
at the same
ungayishaya
time
we
to
ufuna
tell the
ngakhona.
truth.
Yeah.
Okay.
inkinga
Wanthola.
hey masesibizwa
At
nge-trash
the same time, obviously.
Izibi.
Dilo tse ya khona go
ngizibi mina Mina ngizibi mina.
You want to build or you want to just criticize people Which one is it? You build or
you want to be something or ufuna nje
on your
ukuthi-
content. What
ufuna
do
nje
you-
ke builder mampela
Show wena.
Your content, not you.
sheba ke batla understand la ke
Umela
builder
isitori sakho mngani wami. Ngicela umela isitori sakho.
Ngithi content
Yeah,
yakho
understand.
comedy or you crushing people. What's your
I'm not crushing anyone.
okay.
When you're talking down
Leyo
on people,
comedy
like this.
awuyiphendula wenzani comedy or
Comedy
okay.
at the same time ke highlight dilo tse lo di a etsagala.
Ozicabangayo. You're speaking your
And
mind.
then ke express sure.
Your goal is to build by
Is to-
expressing your mind.
So
Yeah, it's to build.
something.
Build, okay.
Akere no o bua ka current affairs.
Sure.
Okay. Tama o ngola so. Ke eng e o e tsebang ka ena e positive? Maybe. Le ne tsa la gale maybe. Or o qala mbona no or
Ana khale ke moqaba from tear gas till now.
so ke fentwe e ntsweng ba shaileng so far maybe.
No,
Ke o e
no.
tsebang like aba ke a gale maybe e nngwe
Maybe
fela
ke
ke re-
the music ha bua ka music.
yeah. Track ya hae e
Another
monate.
chance king. Ona track ya na le AKA don't lie or no lie something
Akwazi uyimamela,
Ona le
akazi
nngwe.
nokuthi
akithi again don't lie to me something like
ayazi
that.
ukuthi bizwana.
Eh no
Akwazi
lie or
uyimamela,
something
akwazi
and then ling gape
Akwazi uyimamela.
hona le ngwana le cast time a repa le ko kare ko kerekeng something ko music video ya teng.
Yini igama lengoma?
I don't know.
That's why awazi music wami. So ungangitisa kanjani ungawazi music wami? Ungangitisa kanjani ungawazi music wami?
Jokela lapha yana.
Yes.
Sure,
How can you
Nelly
diss me? You don't
Joke
even know
ke
the song. You uthi another chance. Awazi music wami awujama. Awukazi wawumamela ntwana yami. Awukazi.
a ke mametse ke utlwile yang gore no kwadile dilo tse di tswileng mo tseleng.
Oh, okay. Sharp.
No ba tlomplela ke vetse ka decide gore ke tlo kgetha
Ke
wena.
mo ke botsisa lebitso la pina ke eng? If o tseba lebitso ke re ka itse hore pina ke ye pina.
Nna ke neutral mfana. Akunyaka ucova side, akunyaka ucova side Godman, because you are here to say your story and he's here to express how he feels.
Sure.
But what I want to know from you mfana, since that and we shall ends up trash and all that, is there success out of this whole thing? Do you see success out of it?
Sure, most definitely because le ka gore ke start a brand is the people ba nkopile go feta go kopa match ya this thing o e etsang wa thola. We support the movement re ba tlo bona everything and I promise you immediately na go ke fetso e etsa match and it's sold out one thola. Everyone up are can fit like o ka nnetso a le go di social star go tlo bona go child into e le gore maybe ka decide one thola everyone o baile everyone o batla match wa o buy one thola le no la nka re ke bloom ke tlo kra di orders tse lo men se ban tip and fit re batla ntwe so and then ka ba deliverele fela ya.
You know what I'm picking up poison from Godman, you know? Ukuthi ama emotions wakhe abuya from this thing of trash, bitch ass, you know. Do you feel like you crossed the line there? Or what do you think of it?
Probably from insulting
Do you feel like you crossed the line?
yeah.
And what do you say out of that?
Me nga apologize ke re ha le hot man yabo. La maybe deep inside I know ke editse intentional ne nka se re ke mistake ke yo ke mistake ke rile pe mara nka apologize for that gore maybe mo tshwere offside for that
Yeah.
gore mo tshwere o to feelile away ka yone like nka se buima ka ke re ke editse ka mistake ke re I did it intentionally well until so my stance on that going sorry for go tshwere offside hot man a ditso o fitse away ka go go biditse pitches yalo until ka apologize for that.
That easy.
Into engayikhuluma yabo. Into nasekasi. Yabo. Yayiye kasi. Phuma la from fish.
Go yeka.
Yeah. Angiyazi la hlala khona. So I did my research. Yabo. After research ngithunile grand yomntwana yabo. So ngiyazi ukuthi uphuma ngapi kwenzakalani ngayo. Though ngisashaya more research about him. Yabo, but ngifila ukuthi before I post video asanga research ukuthi uma iyubani kahle hle. Yabo. So usuke wanyatha sibone ukuthi maybe kunabantu abano yabo banyatha wangangazi ukuthi mina ngobani yabo. So I think kwenza big mistake lapho because manje yonke into ayisekhona ngakimi because mina ngisipana nabantu. Nginama cousin, nginama ini, nginama yabo yes. Yabo njoba ngikutshela ukuthi there's more than 3 security companies enzobe ngisipana nawo. Yeah. And iphethwe izinja zami ama security company lawo. You understand? So with everything that we've built, which is figure khona, so we worked very hard ntwana. Nginomntwana ufunda private school. So uma ngifila ngathi into engiyenzayo khona umuntu ongicekela phansi. Ngifila ngathi yo sis sonke lesipani engisenze kanje ngabe ngiya-inspire le ntwana if ayibone nix engiyenzayo enhle. Njengoba ngimbheka siphuma from same background. No background ntwana. Yabona sikhule sonke singana nix. Kule economy esinayo khona manje kubheda kangaka wonke umuntu yazizamela. Akusisi isikhathi ukuthi singabe sicekelana phansi ngaleyo ndlela. Yabo but ungajoka ini obviously opinion yakho but if uzothuka umuntu siya kwenye into le nto le so vusa ezinye izinto vusa abanye abantu because angisipani ngiwa uvusa abanye abantu and nami angisana ukuthi ngitho angingekho mina masokwenzeke into ngizowazi kanjani ngizomkhuza njani lo muntu lo or ukhulithana mase umuntu amthandayo abone ukuthi enze anything uzomkhuza kanjani yena because nayo usipana namajita azange abe millionaire out of nothing azange abe millionaire out of nothing umsipana nabantu ababhaya kunama lawyer kunamkhata kuna yonke into yangithola and isystem yethu yayibona ukuthi ixeka kanjani kulahleka ma wathi kwenza yabo
Loko pobotsa ukuthi man no wa no etsa di-threats go TikTok wa no DM di-threats la
no etlo to chila bo di-threats tseo iseng hore ke ntho e ke a chance ka tsona ku chance it's a real
ka botsa wa no di etsa kwa tlo cover like
no go kwatshisa izintwana ke itse so ra khutla hona o tlo khutla grand yo gothi man I'm joking yo ke ujwesa marantwana yazini awuyenzi lento leyo ukuthi umuntu umthuke ubuye na uthi hayi inamba yami asishove esayidini hot man nami ngifuna ukuphusha egameni so kunezinto ezibhaya esingakuphusha kuzo you understand zibhaya apply the podcast lena uDon ngisipana nayo all the time amajita ngisipana na uJJ ngisipana naye like over 20 years ngisipana noJJ manje you understand so each and yonke into yahambelana is integrated igame ya South Africa incane kakhulu yabo umhlaba dangerous kakhulu Soweto dangerous intwana yami ngangithola at least uzodisa umuntu research about him no ukuthi ubani mina nje ngihamba ngiyosukela bo Dr. Khumalo or Thabo Muki because I know ukuthi bangaphezulu kwami I know ukuthi I look up to these people noma uthi uyabheda ini ngakhuluma ngesoka yakhe but ngeke ngithi yo le Khulumani trash Dr. Khumalo Thabo Muki angazi ukuthi ngiunderstandeka lapho fuze kune respect you have to research about people you have to know ukuthi udila nobani because lo mhlaba lo dangerous kakhulu ntwana and umhlaba ngaphambi kwakho life yinde kakhulu yabo yinde kakhulu you still have a bright future ahead of you angithola I worked hard ntwana mina bengifunda ngekhandlela but ngaphasa imaths ngayishaya ngayibeka le esikoleni bengenza i-computer systems which means nge-science bengitswemi which means nge-maths I did teachers I did programming I did all of that but nga-end up ku-music because bengitswembu vele ngokurap angizange ngafika nje because futhi siphuma from i-generation where bokurechiwa kwamampela bengeke nje ungene nga-any chance ukuthi upostile ku-TikTok watrend vele siyawungenile no we're on the streets ntwana sibhedlila namajita sisizama that's why we became lo muntu onguye even today I work hard ngiyangithola that's why ngikutshela ukuthi there's a 2 million infrastructure esibekayo eSoweto that night there will be over 10 million economy from ama-Uber abantu abazospenda infrastructure nje ama-artists azobhadala angazi ukuthi I understand i-level ya lento le engikutshelayo
anaka apologize for yona gore go biditse beaches wabo tse ding tse di shobang kwena da ke dilo tse wena di editseng mo life
I get go behela hore nna ke ma
so
that you don't
understand
so that you can go out there and really
phela nna ke apologize tsa ntwe le gore e go tshwere offside e go offendile
yeah I got offended
and then you can understand gore ke insult
because there's no one
so like o kirile beaches ke apologize tsa beaches anthola if gore critic ya gore maybe like music wa go feel okay or I accept you, or it's okay.
Oh, music ntwana, opinion yakho.
That's
If
why
awunandaba,
I apologize,
ama-raps aweka le out, man, oh, come on, it's an opinion. Abantu ababhaya bathanda music wami. Ngikutshela ukuthi ngiyaperforma every week. Uyangithola, like wena una like 1,000 likes. There's no one watching you, dog. Uyangithola, there's no one watching you. Una 1,000 likes, there's no one watching you. Akekho at all, mfana. Uyangithola, kule reach enginayo mina. Ngine reach a blind. So I wouldn't.
But I would say the same for you.
No. Bengeke ngithathe serious mina into yakho. No. Angithi mina ngiyakutshela ukuthi i-album lam went platinum, i-Township Councillor. Which means those are numbers.
Right now.
Right now, ubonile ngikutshelile ukuthi sibeke infrastructure 2 million. What are you saying? Ngitshela manje ukuthi ngiyenzani mina manje. Kune 10 million economy ezobe irana eSoweto that night nge-27 zaka June.
Mfana.
Of which kuzobe amajita azothengisa ukudla. Sengikutshela ngayo yonke into. Mina I can't do anything to intwana because it's too risky for me. Namanje ngine-sponsor ngihamba ngento nge-TSI VW for free dog. Uyangithola? It's a sponsor. How would I jeopardize all of that?
No, man.
I won't.
Athi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili.
Yes.
Bijami. Uma ujoke yabona. Ndingaloko ungawanyathela
Yes.
lona into buza
Yes.
kubo funda ukuthi ufike kanjani nada so that now you get there one day.
Because inkani ngeke kuyisefire into.
Ngibamba bijami. Otherwise there's nothing wrong with content yakho. I like
No.
it.
Poison. Godman,
Yeah.
ayangithandi mawu kanje.
Ngasa.
Angithandi mawu kanje.
Ngigrand obviously
Yeah, angithandi mawu kanje,
Amaphapha avuka lapho but mina
Yeah.
ngiyathi sharp.
No, I don't like it.
Ngiyathi sharp kakhulu.
Cela ube
Ngizwana
grand.
nabantu. Ngimnandi.
Poison. Mfana kukuwe njami. That's all I can say to
I
you.
apologize Ntwana
You
ugrand.
apologized where you felt like apologizing. And you
Obvious
say,
we live we learn.
Yes, ubona but you're entitled to your opinion jam. The way ufuna ngakhona ubushizi, understand?
Sure.
Just the old man alithanda ngikuchuba. But mfana, ngicela sivaleni yini mfana because ngibona ngathi kophume enye ikhike elinye ithuba.
Never. Ay. Ndoda, yeah. Ama-sponsor wami ayephi mfana?
Elinye ithuba.
Yeah. Bheka ntwana. Ngisponsoriswa VW Maponi.
Yeah.
So
Khona la
Yeah.
Tizani.
yes.
Siyawoka
Zintwana
masiya
zakho.
khona.
Siyawoka.
showcase.
Yazi ntwana. Danko.
Wala.
Chance. Bomakasana. That was Kasi Chamber Fetch today. Bespecho Khotman Umai. No Mr. Excalibur. Besila SOH Villagasi Street. Kex Restaurant. Yeah.
Emhlabeni kaJehova subscribe nina futhi nibabi if ubhekele channel for 10 minutes longer na ka subscribe umubi dog that's why bakuchithela ngoba awuna commitment unama commitment issues subscribe lapho ngeke sizwe